Hello and welcome to ActivTrades Biggest Market Movers. Today I'll be looking at the British pound against the US dollar. I'll be discussing the recent trading history in this currency pair, and I'll also be trying to identify the key technical levels going forward. So finally, we've had a sustainable rally in the British pound over the last few days, and we're currently sitting around the 134.20 area. I think if we have a look really over the course of the summer what's been happening in the British pound, we have had a few rallies, but they have dropped off after looking strong, and they've really ended up around the 130 area. So this rally looks different because we're currently holding above the crucial 32.80 area, and that is really the pivot for the pound against the US dollar, and all the time we're above there, that's going to give the bulls some encouragement. So what do they now need to see for this to turn into a medium-term bullish rally for the British pound? So what I've done here is I've drawn a Fibonacci retracement from that Brexit low to really a bounce spot after we had the Brexit announcement, and I think this is the Fibonacci retracement that traders are looking at. And at the moment we're above the 50% retracement, which is the 133.79, and the 61.8 is currently sat at 135.20, and that may be a target for the bulls. If we have a look at what the British pound now needs to do to keep the bullish bias impact, what we now need to see is former resistance now turn support. So what do I mean by that? I mean that the previous areas that were making highs on the British pound, if we do get a move lower, we need to see the British pound holding those areas. So for example, if we come down and we test at the 133.80 at some point, we need to see that point holding. So former resistance is now turned support, and I think if that starts to happen, then we can really see the bulls gain encouragement and keep the bullish dynamic intact here. And also at the 132.80, as I say, is a key level for the British pound. We have lost that several times over the summer, but this time it appears to be holding above it, so we may see a retest of that area. But at the moment, I think the most crucial area of support is the 133.79, which is a 50% retracement, and we will keep our eyes on that sharply. On Thursday, we do have the Mario Draghi ECB press conference, and it does seem like an old correlation that the pound does follow the euro dollar, but it does still happen, so that may dictate a lot of what's going to happen with the British pound. And I'm sure this recent rally on the British pound has come late for a lot of UK people who are on summer holidays who wanted a strong pound, and I'm sure they're cursing this late rally in the pound, as of course they would have liked a stronger pound for their holidays in the summer. So let's see if this British pound rally can continue up to the 135.20 area. Thank you very much. This has been ActivTrades Biggest Market Movers.